This video is going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on a C300 2008 model. It's a very simple process. We're going to be replacing the Bosch wipers. Basically all you do is you lift the wiper and then you rotate it one direction and you just simply pull it off. So that's the old wiper. Here's the new wiper now. So see, it's got on one side only has the hole. You put it back on, rotate the wiper, and you put it down, and that replaces one wiper. So we're going to do the same on the other side. So the same process here. Lift it up, rotate it, pull it off. Align, put it back on, rotate it, and pull it back down, put it back down. So hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.